Hey guys, MacroDev here. This is going to be a very quick tutorial on how to convert tags into categories and categories into tags. And this tool is going to be very helpful when you migrate from Blogger to the WordPress. Because in Blogger you can only use tags, not categories. So let's get started. First of all, we have to install a importer which is going to convert categories into tags and tags into categories. So go to the tools option and then click on the import. Here in the second option you can see that categories and tags converter. Just click on the install now. So now we are ready to convert categories into tags and vice versa. So first of all, let's see what we are going to convert. Go to the categories option. Here you can see that we have 3 categories: plugin, themes, WordPress tutorial, and beginner's guide is the children element of WordPress tutorial. So let's convert these categories into tags. Go to the tools, import, click on the run importer. Here you can see that convert categories to tags. Just check which you want to convert. And here one is showing the children element of these categories. So just click on the convert categories to tags. And now go to the tags. Here you can see that WordPress tutorial, theme, plugin, all are converted to tags. One thing too is to notice here that the children categories is not converted to tags. So to convert it into tags you have to run again the importer. So go to import. Here now click on the run importer. Here you can see that beginner's guide is available. Click on this and convert categories to tags. And now you can see that every category has been converted to tags. And in the categories option you can see that only uncategorized is left. Now we are going to convert tags into categories. We have now 7 tags here. We are going to convert all of them into categories. So go to the tools, import, run importer, and then here you have to choose tags to categories. Here you can see that to convert tag 7 to categories. Check all and convert tags to categories. For check, go to categories and you can see that every tag has been converted to categories. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.